Hi foodies and health conscious eaters. Here at Foods Alive, we want to help you to be as healthy as possible. Today we're making air fryer fries, a healthy alternative to your traditional French fries. We'll show you how to make them the fastest, healthiest way and walk you through a few quick and easy steps. Let's get started. You'll want to start with organic potatoes if you can. We're going to give them a good scrub because we want to keep the skin for its nutritional value and added texture. Next, we're going to slice them. Now remember, not too thick or too thin. This is a good size. Then we're going to allow them to soak in water for an hour, changing the water after 30 minutes. This helps us to get rid of the starch that we don't want. At this point, you want to pat your potatoes dry to ensure they get that slight crisp. It's a good idea to use a paper towel. It's important to remember to space out your wedges so they can cook evenly. And last, apply your favorite seasoning. You'll notice we're not using any oil because we're trying to keep these as healthy as possible. Now they're ready to pop into your air fryer. We preheated our air fryer and set our temperature at 400 degrees. We kept an eye on the fries for about 17 minutes. Your temperature and time may vary depending on the air fryer that you use. As you can see, our fries came to a crispy golden brown and they went fast. Don't forget to enhance your fries or wedges with Foods Alive Himalayan pink salt and Nutritional yeast for a tasty, healthy treat everyone will love.